Hello everyone, my name is Aiden Frank Superdude, and welcome to the hardwood floor once again. We have another unboxing. Today we're unboxing the GoXLR Mini to complete the setup for now. It'll pair up with that bad boy up there, the Audio-Technica AT2035. And let's get into this shit. I had to cut these flaps so I don't leak my address, so I don't DOS myself. And here it is. The GoXLR Mini. God fucking damn. This thing is awesome.
What?
Yeah, we also have an audience member slash cameraman here with us. So it's not just me on a tripod trying to open this. I'm still a retard and don't know the best way for opening. Would it be from here? Yes, it would. There's tape. I'm gonna try not to cut myself. Whoa! Oh shit! Hell yeah! How am I gonna? Well, that was easy. There we are. USB cord, power, bang, and let's get this bitch out of here and out of its plastic wrapping. Okay, well, we're going with the knife. We run things risky here on this channel. I'm gonna lay this on the ground so it doesn't like fly open and crash. This is a very unconventional way of opening this, but it gets the job done. Voila. Remove protective film. We will, very soon. Here it is, GoXLR Mini. This thing is amazing, and I've been waiting so fucking long. All right, so we're gonna go plug this bad bitch in. We're gonna remove the protective film. How? I do not fucking know. And we'll cut back once we're actually getting to plugging it in. Alrighty, so we've got everything out, and here's, ooh, wait. We gotta do the protective film peel. If this doesn't come off in one piece, I'm gonna shit my fucking pants. There we go, we gotta sort of wrap around them. Oh God. Oh, beautimous. Look at how clean that is. And throw the trash to the side, place it down. First up, USB in. That goes that way. Boink. There we go. And now, into the PC. This is a fucking mess back here. There we go. Bang! Look at that shit. Oh, it was rainbow for a bit. But there we go. Complete, adjustable mixer. We can mute these. Swear button, mute the microphone. A whole bunch of shit. Now, we go here. Moment of truth. Do you mind getting the fuck off my cable? Thank you. XLR cable. Well, I've spent quite a bit of time on sorting out all the colors. We got orange at the top. Hopefully the colors come in correctly on the camera, but orange at the top, red at the bottom. That'll turn blue whenever I hit them. We got our little swear button here that I press and hold and it'll bleep. We got the kill switch that'll kill every single input. Then we got the mute of each individual track. And then the faders themselves. Everything at the back here, I might need an optical cable for like PlayStation and shit. But everything is set up, and let's do a test recording. Well, here we are. This is the Audio-Technica AT2035. This shit sounds amazing. And obviously, to my right, I have all quiet or as loud as I possibly want. I don't exactly know what my setting was at the start, but I think I'm gonna keep it around here. And also, you guys, you are all dumb. This is awesome. And again, this is the kill switch button that I'm talking about. Then we have, and then I can mute individual, which is very cool. So yeah, obviously, you know, this is a cardioid condenser mic, so it has a very straightforward pickup pattern, so it needs to be in front of my face to get the best audio. Obviously, I can put it down here so that the camera, you know, doesn't have it exactly in its sight line, so you guys can see my face. But I paid a lot of money for this, so I'm gonna keep it right in front of my meathead. And this is not level. This is. There we go. No, it's still not. But anyway, I don't really give a shit. This mic is fucking amazing. Sounds great. And with the GoXLR, I get to do so much more. I get to finally have all the perks of voice mod without using voice mod, which is awesome. Because voice mod fucking sucks dick. It is such a pain in the ass. And this shit is just easy. Although I might have to order a optical cable for my PlayStation. But other than that, this shit is fucking crazy. Well, I might have to do a few extra things because dual PC setup and all that. But so far, I'm loving this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. This has been Frankie. And stay super.